Hello friends, welcomes once again in our YouTube channel Dr. Bhushan's Biology. From in last lecture we have discussed about multiple allelism. Okay, in last lecture multiple allelism. In last lecture we have discussed first example of multiple allelism, and that is wing abnormality in Drosophila. Okay, this is our first example. And our second example, ABO blood grouping is our second example, and today we are discussing about this example, ABO blood grouping. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe. We are teaching here genetics in simple and understandable format, okay, and it is useful for CET, NEET, SET, NET, GATE, PET, and different types of exams. Okay, so today we are moving about ABO blood grouping. So there are four types of blood group. You must know: A, B, AB, and O. If you see any individual, they are with this blood group only, either A, either B, either AB, and O only. Okay, there are some positive and negative is also there, but mostly there are four types of blood group. So what are these four types of blood group? These four types of blood group is nothing but four phenotypes. Okay, this is four phenotypes. So our today's question, these are four phenotypes: A, B, A, B, O. If question asks in exam how many phenotypes of blood groups are there, so you must know there are four phenotypes of blood groups. This is A, B, AB, and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so today's our question is how these four phenotypes came. Okay, how these four phenotypes came. And second question is how ABO blood grouping is example of multiple allelism. Third question is if we cross the blood group, not a cross, if a parent is with homozygous blood group or heterozygous blood group, then what are the possibilities of blood group in progeny? These 3 to 4 questions we have with us. So we are finding the answer of these 4 questions. So our first question is how ABO blood grouping is example of multiple allelism. Okay, so how ABO blood grouping is example of multiple allelism. First thing is I is a gene. Okay, I is a one gene. It has 3 alleles. What are that 3 alleles? IA is one allele number 1, IB is allele number 2, and IO is allele number 3. Okay, so every individual has only 2 alleles, of in every individual out of these 3 alleles. Okay, out of these 3 alleles, individual has 2 alleles. So now here we will see, okay, what are possible genotypes. You can see here I is a gene, single gene. There are 3 alleles, allele number 1, IA, IB, and IO. These 3 alleles. And what are the definition of a multiple allelism? More than 2 alleles is there, it is called as multiple allelism. And you can see here are 1, 2, 3. Here you can observe 3 alleles. Okay, so this is the example of multiple allelism. So what are the possible genotypes and possible phenotypes we will see here. Okay, for this gene, as we say, every individual has only 2 alleles for this. Okay, so IA, what are possible genotypes? IA, this is first case. Second, so IA, if this is case, then blood group is A blood group. Okay, blood group is A. Second condition is IA or IO. So this is also A blood group. Third question is, we'll see or we tell how this blood group is also A blood group. Third condition is IB and IB. What are these blood group? Blood group B. Fourth condition is IB, IO. This is also a B blood group. Fifth condition IA or IB and the blood group is AB. Last condition is there IO and IO. This is blood group O. As we said, every individual has two alleles. We have shown here two alleles. Now this is a homozygous condition. Okay, so AA, this is a homozygous means similar. So this is homozygous condition. Now this is heterozygous condition. Heterozygous, you can see IA and IO, this is heterozygous. Two different things are there. This is also homozygous. Next one is heterozygous. This is heterozygous and this is homozygous. Okay, condition is homozygous, heterozygous, homozygous, heterozygous, heterozygous and homozygous. Then what are the types of, how many different genotypes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have shown here genotypes, number is a 6. What are the phenotypes is here? Okay, so phenotypes is, this one is A blood group, this one is B blood group, this one is AB blood group and this one is O blood group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So phenotypes is, how many phenotypes? 4 phenotypes are there. Okay, you can see here 6 different genotypes and 4 different phenotypes are here. So in this condition, how to tell you one thing, as we said IA, IB and IO. Now you said why this O is not came here? This is our question. So what is the reason behind this? These two are dominant allele, so they express, and this one is recessive allele, so it is not expressed. And recessive is expressed only when there is identical allele. We already seen this thing in Mendel's monohybrid ratio or Mendel monohybrid cross. You can see here. So due to this, only this type of allele express and show dominance. So there are only 4 types of phenotypes or only 4 phenotypes in blood group. So A, B, A, B, O and 6 different genotypes you can see here. Next, our next question is, what are the possibilities of blood group in progeny when or in baby when parent is crossed with homozygous blood group or heterozygous blood group? Okay, this is our next question. So we'll see here, or we'll solve that conditions also. Let's take, if parents is with heterozygous, parents mother and father, okay, mother and father. If parents is with heterozygous A blood group, so heterozygous A, always consider heterozygous A, and father is with B blood group, that is heterozygous B condition. So what are the possible phenotypes? You can put a checkerboard here. Okay, so here IA, IO, here IB and IO. So what are the genotypes? IA, IB, then IB, IO, then IA, IO and final IO, IO. You can see this is blood group AB, this one is B blood group, this one is A blood group and this one is O blood group. You can see over here. Okay, now every individual or every blood group, chances of possibilities of every blood group is 25% A, 25% B, 25% AB and 25% O blood group is there. If we just if we change the conditions, if we take an example, they are with homozygous, here condition is heterozygous condition is here. If parents or mother and father is with homozygous condition, then what type of blood group is there? What are possibilities of blood group? So here we also find IA, IA, IB, IB. So all are IA, IB, IA, IB. So all are with AB blood group. 100% AB blood group. You can see if mother is with homozygous, okay, parents means homozygous A blood group or B blood group, then possibilities in present is 100% AB, and if they are heterozygous, then possibility is 25% each type of blood group in each condition. You can see over here. So main thing is question asks about ABO blood grouping. What are the possible genotypes and what are the possible phenotypes? Number of genotypes and number of phenotypes question is asked on this, okay. 6 genotypes and 4 phenotypes. You must know this thing. And in CSIR NET question, this question asked in pedigree analysis, you must know the answer of this question, or you must know, or you have to know the crossing of this type of blood group, and you have to find the exact which type of blood group, percentage of each type of blood group. This is all about today's example or today's lecture. We already discussed about ABO blood grouping and how it is an example of multiple allelism. Thank you.